the RC Era 148 Scale UH-1 Huey from Razordon. It features some pretty snazzy technology, like laser radar positioning and one-button inverted flying. Manual is concise and to the point, with a nice exploded parts diagram. In the box, you get extra battery, tools, and side gun, and charge cord. Even some extra blades. Transmitter is compact with self-centering collective control, and various buttons and trims for the different modes. 4 AA batteries are needed for power. The heli itself is really nice. Rotor head really looks the part, and the overall body shape looks good. Battery pack snaps into the bottom. I only wish it was the same color as the heli. A minor complaint, as the heli has lots of fine details, like rivets and panel lines. I noted what looks like the laser sensor on the bottom. Look out for these teeny tiny screws, which are used to attach to side Gatling guns for blasting away your enemies. They can be a little fiddly, but patience and persistence pays off. Yeah, now we've got a warfighter. Last thing is to charge up the battery. For the first flight, I decided to try it indoors to escape the ravages of the winds. With a table as my launch pad, it was up she went. A couple of clicks of right trim, and she was hovering hands off. Not bad. Controls were quite good for indoor flying. The auto altitude hold made flying around the room very easy. You could practice nose and hovering with one less thing to worry about controlling. I did find I could trick the LiDAR sensor a bit. I even did a bit of backwards flying. It did tend to drift off a bit during pirouettes.
Try manual landing on the table.
Piece of cake. So I just had to take her outside to see how she does on a breezy day. Right. We'll go to higher speed. And we'll do the takeoff. So the auto takeoff. Whee! And it goes into the trees. Come back! It is a bit breezy. Let's go into the wind here. We'll try hands off. It's kind of settled down. I am in the high speed mode. And it's kind of holding it. A little wonky on takeoff, but other than that, it's doing pretty good. Let's do some flying around here. It can get kind of zippy here. Look at that. I want to go up a little bit. If I hit a ceiling. I then made the mistake of seeing how high she could go. It's still going. Let's come back down. If it will come down. This is full down stick. Come on. Doesn't want to come down. I was stuck in transit lift.
Hit the auto land.
That's not good. Go down.
Just hit the auto land, see what it does.
All right, what Caravan says hit the auto land. Landing button. It's coming down. Oh, kind of comes down and then does, and it comes down. Come on, there we go. Maybe below the tree line. It's really windy today. So imagine a transient lift is. There we go. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's what I get for listening to the cameraman.
All right, I'm gonna try it again. I gotta try what they call the inverted mode. So I'm going to take off again, do manual. There we go, manual mode. Whoa. Whoa. Sort of wind picked up. Let me give it a second. Maybe a passing thermal. Wow. So this is a good test. It's probably a good 20 mile per hour wind. I had to hold almost full stick forward cyclic. It's doing a lot better than I thought it would. Looks like it'll die down a little bit. All right, here goes nothing. We're going to a shaded area. Gotta go up, it says 10 meters high, 3 meters high. That's probably about it. And nothing. Maybe it's not on the Huey? Let's try it again. There it is. Oh, look at that. Come back. It did it. See if I can get it back here. Except it's way far away. Come on. There we go. It flies inverted. Look at that. I have no idea how to get back.
It's auto land.
No, the auto land.
It'll flip over.
Oh, I wonder if it does flip over. I want to try the auto land. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. Auto land doesn't work inverted.
I was running out of ideas.
That's cool.
But I was enjoying myself.
The controls are not reversed though. You can just sort of, except for maybe the tail rotor. Uh-oh. Of course, I don't know what the batteries.
Just how long do the batteries last anyways?
Come back. I may not be high enough.
Hit it now.
I swear it was starting to mock me.
Can't get it back. Go higher.
It's gonna land if you wait much.
Oh, maybe this way. So how do I get it down?
Then I had an epiphany.
Until the battery goes out.
There we go. You gotta push the button in the other direction. All right. What if I can fly it down? Just a full down stick. There we go. Below the tree line.
Finally, and with power to spare.
Look at that. All right, let's bring her back in. I do admit it's doing a lot better in the wind than I thought it would. I'm sure I'm about to run out of battery time here. Can I get it on the box? Oh! It's down. Here we go. The RC Era 148 Scale UH-1 Huey. Pretty fun, actually. Poor guy, getting a real workout today. But yeah, not bad. I'm actually kind of impressed. Well, there you have it. I'll have to say I was pretty impressed with the little guy and how it flew in winds I had no business flying in. Don't try this at home, kids. Anyways, as a plastic model-sized dronecopter, without GPS, it really does well and seems quite durable. I have no doubt it will make a great heli for beginners, and even experienced pilots can have fun with it. Runtime seemed really good, and it looks great in the air. Plus, who doesn't like a Huey that flies inverted? I'm sure they did that all the time in Vietnam, didn't they?
Hi, thanks for watching. Please take a look at the video description below for special HobbyView sales and discounts. Your purchases help support this channel. Happy modeling!